I put it on, but I can't set this one, or it's malfunctioning because I bought an open box thing. So here we go. I am going to go and install this in the back apartment because I already have, yeah, I'm going to install this in the back room apartment now. And yeah, so watch me go and install my light. I was wiping the floor, and because I have allergies to senses, I have eye senses allergy, I'm sniffing. I made a video for TikTok not too long ago and I am sniffing like crazy, so yeah, you are going to hear quite a bit of sniffing. So yeah, I have the lock on this one and that one, and now I have the lock for the third one, that room up there. I'm not putting a lock on it because it's not going to be ready for December, and this is a used lock I bought on eBay. It works, so I am going to install it in my other available apartment. See why I need keyless? I forgot the key. I reach around there and I have to turn back, and I forgot the key. Even though this one I locked myself out because I didn't carry the lock, carry the scan code, I can still put in my code. See? Yeah. So now I gotta get the keys. So after today, no more. I gotta carry my glasses because I think I gotta read the fine print how to change or to activate it. I put it on, but I can't set this one, or it's malfunctioning because I bought an open box thing. But it won't work. I'm trying to activate it. Now that motherfucker make noise. Oh. Something is wrong on the inside. Oh, let me... Oh. Something didn't hook up. Okay, let's try again. I am so tired that I just could not bother to fix the lock. I got it to work where it working backward, but it works. But I have to like leave it alone, and then tomorrow I'll change it because it's 8:20 now and I left it like a while back. When I put in the code and push close and push open, it actually don't. So I have to put in the code and press close, the close lock sign, and it opened. And for me to close it, I have to press the open lock sign. That is not good. That is not good. So tomorrow I'm going to do it again and make sure, because I'm the one who activate the other one. I don't know why. I'm just so tired. I just can't get it right, but tomorrow I'll get it right. I am too tired from yesterday. I've been tired. I'm not on any vitamins or anything, and I am just bloody ass tired of being tired and broke tired and frustrating tired. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment.